Cocoa is life. It is our black gold. And today, we are going to one of the places the magic starts.
Africa is the way to go. Stay up, don't be slow. 85 Ghana must grow. Let's go. Produce it, process it, distribute it. I go make it dough just to feed my own. I go do it all.
Wow. Hello and welcome to another special edition of Ghana Grows Edwuma. This is the program that is highlighting amazing things within the agriculture value chain and ATVET. I'm your host, Araba Kumsin. Today, we are visiting NUNA Farms at Nkweni in the Akuapem North District of the Eastern Region. Now, this is a 24-acre plantation, and on it sits a huge 14-acre cocoa farm. But you know what? This massive farm started as a failure before it became a huge success. Want to know more? Stay with us. We're following the journey of NUNA Farms, which took a devastating financial hit at the start and transformed into a huge success. You won't believe the courage it took. Let's see how they flipped the script. Efo, we've been walking around this farm. It seems like you have a lot of energy for your age. How long have you been doing this?
For the past 7 years.
You've been doing this for the past 7 years. Interesting. How did you get into cocoa farming?
You know, I'm a formerly mass cocoa mass sprayer.
Okay.
So I've been working with. So later I realized that I have to get my own.
Okay.
Very interesting that I got to get this farm.
So you've been on this farm for 7 years, and you've been telling us about the wonderful story of how you managed to turn a loss into a success.
Yeah.
What happened? How were you able to come to the point where you lost so much and were able to turn the situation around?
Yeah, for the past 2 years, that's what the fault doesn't come from me.
Okay.
I say that's why I told you beginning. There's the business is from Wakri people at Cocoa and to me.
Okay.
For that 2 years.
Yes.
For that 2 years, I'm not the one. But later they call me back.
Mm-hmm.
So I've been working with them, and I told them there's a lot of things that we have to maintain.
What was the problem? What was the problem that you came to fix?
You know something?
Yeah.
Formerly, the beginning, there's a grass.
Yes.
A grass, or the land is full of grass.
Okay.
And the grass is not suitable for cocoa.
Wow. Okay.
You can do it several times. If you reach dry season,
okay,
you won't achieve anything.
Okay.
So I have to sit down and I say, no, I have to remove all those grass from the land so that the cocoa will get space.
Okay. Okay.
So I spoke to him. He said I should carry on. Through that, we achieved. That's why we achieved this goal.
So if I get you,
if I took you through around, you will see a grass in this farm.
Wow. So if I understand you correctly, what you're saying is that when you started, all this land was grassland.
Grassland.
There was a bit of cocoa here, but it couldn't grow.
No.
It couldn't grow.
Yeah.
So you had to weed all the grass.
Yeah.
You
have to make sure all the grass have to remove from there.
Okay. So it became bare land, and you planted just cocoa.
Bare cocoa, yeah.
Wow. On all these 14 acres.
Really?
That's a lot of work.
Yeah.
I see.
Yeah.
So that's how you're able to turn the loss into a win.
Yeah.
Wow. That's interesting.
You can get a grassland, but if you're able, you can sit down, you can turn that land to a cocoa farm. But if the land is fully grass, it will be very difficult for you to achieve it.
I see. Interesting.
Yeah.
So point noted is that you don't need to have grass on your lands, any lands that you intend to cultivate cocoa on, because it will inhibit the growth of the cocoa seedlings. Interesting. Wafa, Kwame, please tell us what is the difficulty in growing cocoa for people who are watching you? I mean, they are interested, but tell them the truth about what difficulties there are in growing cocoa as well?
Really, not all the land are suitable for cocoa.
Okay. Which land is suitable?
Very good. Here, for instance, if you watch here, you can see this is muddy.
Okay.
Eh?
Okay.
And so place two, you can see it's a gravel.
Okay.
All those two aspects are suitable for cocoa.
Okay. Gravel land and then muddy land. Okay.
But a land like sandy that they were used for building,
okay,
is out of cocoa.
Right.
That's the difference between.
That's one thing you need to look out for when you want to grow cocoa. This is interesting. I'm sure you have a lot more to tell us, but you need to stay for that. We're taking a short break. This is still Ghana Grows Edwuma. I'm Arabo Kumsin. Stay with us. We'll be right back.
At 17, my dad involved me in the family business. I noticed we had some irrigation issues, and I decided to not only help, but to innovate how to build a soil moisture sensor. My innovation won me a grant to scale up. Today, that innovation is growing into a thriving tech company, employing a diverse team and automating our family farm, transforming it into one of Ghana's leading pineapple suppliers. And now, Ghana's premier pineapple drink producer. Next, the world.
Take advantage of agribusiness through the Ghana Grows program. Ghana Grows, Hope Day.
You're welcome back. This is still Ghana Grows Edwuma, and we're still here at NUNA Farms. I'm still here with Wofa Kwame, farm manager here. And we've been talking a lot about operations on the farm. Wofa Kwame, so tell us, what are the challenges that you face on this farm? What kind of problems do you face on this farm?
As I've told you already, you have achieved a lot, but the only problem that I have is to remove some of the deciduous trees.
Okay.
Out of the cocoa.
Okay.
Yeah.
Why?
Yeah. It's advantage and disadvantage too. It's too much on the cocoa.
It's an advantage and it's a disadvantage. Wow.
It might come to a time you have to reduce some of the tree out of the cocoa.
So explain to us, how is it an advantage?
If you can see.
Yes.
We are you can see that here is a darkness.
Okay.
The darkness from where? Is from the trees.
Okay, from the shade of the leaves.
Yeah.
Yes.
And cocoa like shandy.
They like what? Shade?
Yeah, no.
They like the sunlight.
Sunlight.
Okay.
So this is a time you have to remove some of the trees.
Okay. Okay. So when it's growing, you need to let the trees grow with them to provide shade.
The tree will help the cocoa to grow for you.
Okay. But when it gets to a certain point, you have to cut it off.
Otherwise, you won't get enough
sunlight.
No. Enough harvest.
Okay. They won't grow to the point that they're supposed to grow for you to be able to harvest.
You know that each of the tree, at least, you have to get at least 20 to 40 harvests on the tree.
Oh.
But if it happens that way, that you have to remove some of the trees so that cocoa will get shine.
Interesting. So a tree generally produces about 40 pods.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. 30 to 40 pods. More than that.
Yeah.
Wow.
About 60, 150.
One
if
tree.
You are lucky, yeah, you can get it about 150.
Wow.
So if you see right now here, okay, this is just a mini cocoa because this is about 3 or 4, just 4 years.
Yes.
But it comes to a time that we reach about 10 years or 8 to 10 years. You have to get enough harvest in each of the cocoa.
Wow.
So if you don't get that, you have to sit down and eat. That's why I say this year I have to remove about 40% out of the trees from me.
I see. Interesting. Very, very interesting. Now, let's talk about your team that you work with. How many people do you work with?
I work with about 5 people. Together with me, 6.
Okay. Yeah. There's 6 in total.
Yeah.
And how many women make up that number?
Yeah,
2 in number.
Yeah.
I see. Interesting. So have you been passing on, your expertise to them? Or where did they learn how to farm? Or you taught them?
Oh, okay. We are working on monthly basis.
Okay.
So you get me.
Okay.
So if it comes to a time that I need them,
Uh-huh.
they have to come.
Okay. Okay.
They have to-
Well, let's still stay on the issue of your workers here. I see that a lot of them are middle-aged. I don't see any young people around here. Where are all the young people? Why are they not working on the farm?
That's why I'm also happy that you people are here. People thought the young people thought cocoa is a old age people, but if you sat down, if you are young, 3 years, you can start to harvest your cocoa. So
Wow.
I have to encourage the young. I've been encourage them too.
Right. So why are they not working on the farm? What are they doing?
Some of them have started their own.
Okay.
Yeah.
But I'm saying that, so the young people in this town where you are, what do they usually do? They are not on cocoa farms. What are they doing?
You know, it's difficult nowadays. They say Okada business is around here and there. You know, young boys they like quick money, but the real money is in the farm.
I want you to repeat that. I want you to repeat that. The real money is in the farm.
In the farm.
Okay. All right.
You know, I saw Lewis man a movie one day. He say, "You go first car away room near bedi ufie. You need some first car ufie. But if you rush for money,
yes, it will finish quickly.
And your life, you even put your life in danger.
Right.
Right now, if I came to the farm and saw something like this, even my soul in me is even happy.
Exactly. You heard the Efo Kwame.
Yeah,
yes.
yeah.
If you're a young person watching this, he says that there is money in the soil.
Yeah.
So join him in this venture. You're still watching Ghana Grows Edwuma with me, Arba Kumsin. We're taking a quick break. We'll be right back. The Springboard Roadshow Foundation invites you, our cherished viewers and listeners, to share your experiences. We would like to know how these programs, Springboard Your Virtual University, Springboard Hangout with Comfort Okran, and Ghana Grows Edwuma have influenced you so far. We would like to know the lessons you've learned, how you have applied the lessons to your lives, and the differences these programs have made in your life so far. So call us to participate in this survey. Kindly call 0308 255 775. We look forward to hearing from you. Together, let's keep building. Ghana Goes Hope Day. Indeed, cocoa is the lifeblood of many communities, including Ankwendi, funding schools, hospitals, and local infrastructure. When the 14 acres of cocoa here thrives, the whole community wins. That is why it's important for you to join us in the next episode, which will be just as special because we'll be talking to some members of the community who work on this farm about their experiences. So, are you interested in investing in a cocoa farm or starting one of your own? You can dial *718 *50#, or you can reach out to our WhatsApp call center on 0308 255 775. Remember, Ghana Grows Edwuma is part of the Ghana Grows program, which is an initiative of MasterCard Foundation in partnership with Springboard Roadshow Foundation. I'm Arba Kumsi, your host. Join us same time next week. Until then, let's keep growing.